Hi YouTube, this is the Redbone 9, and this is
Nunu Bear.
And this is
Andy.
Okay, this is my other nephew Andy. So he wants to chime in on today's. So we're gonna let him, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, baby.
Alright, so today we are going to do Bunny Ringtone. Alright.
I got a better.
And we're gonna start with Jeremy's favorite, Nunu Bear's favorite. Okay, so the app we used was sound effects. Well, it's sound effects. It's not ringtones. It's sound effects.
Yeah,
okay,
it's ringtones.
So it's sound effects.
Huh?
All right. So Jeremy, what's your first? Go to the one you like. Which one is your favorite one? Let me turn this up real quick. All right, go ahead.
Oh, crap!
That's Nunu Bear's favorite. Andy, what's your favorite?
Huh?
Wait, Jeremy. Go.
Wait.
He likes Thunderstorm.
Huh?
But this one is Thunderstorm.
Yeah, I like
Alright. Let me show you my favorite. I have a couple, but mine is... Y'all gonna like it.
Me too.
See, I like that one. There's a whole bunch of other ones up here, like that one that I was listening to was Laughing Baby, and his I was listening to was Window Explode. Like, really, come on. Yeah, there's a lot I use. I use this one when people say something. I'm like, oh really? So
yeah. We love clapping. Got a puppy upside here, boys.
that one was Applause, and this one is Ambulance.
Ambulance. I get.
That's Air Horn.
Okay.
Not that one. You already heard that one.
Well,
That's
by the
Air
way,
Horn.
my name is not Andy. My name is Andrew.
Okay. His name is Andrew.
I get.
Okay. Can you stop? I'm gonna show him. You wanna show him?
Yeah.
Alright, which one you go first next?
Huh?
Which one?
Frog.
No, it's not.
Oh.
It's called Hapes.
What? Hapes?
I don't like this one.
Me either. I like it.
It's not really. I mean, you like it, but I don't.
I get.
Not that one. Okay.
Oh, that's my favorite. I love
That one's Warning. Warning.
Okay. Warning at people who
I
get
get.
hurt. Whoa!
That was a sword.
Sword. Shing!
Ow.
Sorry.
Alright.
Wait. Squeeze. Squeeze.
Sound squeeze. That's spray can.
Let me try.
Yeah.
Let me try.
Say excuse me.
Huh? Wait, no. Wait.
That one's Gum.
Gun.
The other one, yeah, Gun. The other one was Fart. That was this one.
Fart is nasty.
Of course, that's Doorbell.
I've been Doorbell.
You heard that one.
I do it. Wait. Can we do a different one, Titi? Can we do something?
No, we heard that one already, Jeremy.
Can we do something else?
Which one? I like that one. I like
Dun,
that
dun, 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 dun. No?
Another head.
You checking it? You looking at the floor. Me.
Wait.
one. Okay.
That's it. No more.
All right.
It's boring. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Alright, well those are the ringtones, different type of sound effects that we have. As far as ringtones go, Jeremy, you wanna show them the ringtones? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
This is our ringtones.
Yes. That's all windows. Why did you?
Yes.
I'm not mine anymore.
Alright. Let me see. I like this one.
That's from Family Guy, so I know that.
Can I see it?
That's Cleveland Brown.
Like,
Wait.
Well, I just call it.
that's not Cleveland. That's Quagmire.
I call him Quagmire because he's so funny, and that's just. That's the best violin I ever heard.
Where is it? Let me see. Wait, Jeremy. Let me see if I can find the other one. Let's see. What's that one? Nope. Oh, not
That's
that one.
Mario.
Okay, here we go. I like this one.
Stewie, whoever calls his mommy much of time, whoever who does that, they scream at them.
Mom. 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 Mommy. Daddy. Mama. What?
Okay, that was funny. I like that
32,
one.
32.
Wait.
That's the sound of the
We heard that one.
Are you crazy? God, Lulu. That's music.
Okay. Well, that was my ringtones and my sound effects.
Bye.
If y'all have any ringtones y'all want to share or whatever, just let me know. Well, you can do a video response. I just learned how to do a video response. I'm so hyped. Okay, but anyway, yeah. Yeah, so do video response. And
This is so fun. We on
wait,
the
love.
record. So
Okay,
please,
give me a second.
I already know y'all.
Yes, so yeah, I'm gonna finish cooking and get these boys to calm down. And yeah, this is the Rebel 9 and
Lulu Bear.
and we are signing out on YouTube. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye. Peace out.
So we love you.
We love you.
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later.